Welcome to my channel. This video part 3. You can check the channel for part 4. Don't forget to subscribe. 70th.
70th.
They celebrated their 70th wedding anniversary.
70th.
Resolve.
Resolve.
She made a resolution to exercise more frequently.
Resolve.
Address.
Address.
I need to write down the address of the party venue.
Address.
Pleasing.
Pleasing.
Her performance received pleasing reviews from critics.
Pleasing.
Spoken.
Spoken.
Spanish is widely spoken in many countries.
Spoken.
Socially.
Socially.
Some animals are known to be highly social creatures.
Socially.
Body.
Body.
Regular exercise is important for maintaining a healthy body.
Body.
Use up.
Use up.
We need to use up the leftover vegetables before they spoil.
Use up.
Insect.
Insect.
The butterfly is a colorful and delicate insect.
Insect.
Upset.
Upset.
The unexpected news left her feeling upset and confused.
Upset.
Burnt.
Burnt.
The toast got burnt because I left it in the toaster too long.
Burnt.
Flower.
Flower.
The garden is filled with a variety of colorful flowers.
Flower.
Result.
Result.
The positive result of the experiment was a major breakthrough.
Result.
2.
2.
She ate too much dessert and felt uncomfortably full.
2.
Possibly.
Possibly.
He may possibly decide not to come, in which case there's no problem.
Possibly.
Hire out.
Hire out.
They decided to hire out their beach house during the summer.
Hire out.
Equal.
Equal.
Everyone should be treated with equal respect.
Equal.
Knowledge.
Knowledge.
Acquiring knowledge is a lifelong journey.
Knowledge.
Sailor.
Sailor.
He worked as a sailor on a cargo ship for many years.
Sailor.
Holiday.
Holiday.
We're planning a family holiday to a tropical destination.
Holiday.
Politics.
Politics.
She has a strong interest in international politics.
Politics.
Wallet.
Wallet.
I found a lost wallet on the sidewalk and returned it to its owner.
Wallet.
Approximately.
Approximately.
The journey will take approximately 3 hours by car.
Approximately.
Burst into.
Burst into.
He burst into laughter when he heard the funny joke.
Burst into.
Return.
Return.
Don't forget to return the library books by next week.
Return.
Let down.
Let down.
I hate to let you down, but I can't make it to the party.
Let down.
Moral.
Moral.
The story taught a valuable moral lesson about honesty.
Moral.
Seek.
Seek.
She decided to seek professional help for her anxiety.
Seek.
Criticize.
Criticize.
It's easy to criticize, but offering solutions is more productive.
Criticize.
Passport.
Passport.
Make sure to bring your passport when traveling internationally.
Passport.
Manage.
Manage.
She knows how to effectively manage her time and tasks.
Manage.
We all decided to go on a road trip together.
We.
Cable.
Cable.
The technician will install the cable for our new television.
Cable.
Praise.
Praise.
The teacher praised the students for their hard work.
Praise.
Mount.
Mount.
She mounted her horse and rode off.
Mount.
Pure.
Pure.
The water in the mountain stream is crystal clear and pure.
Pure.
God.
God.
Many people turn to their faith in God during difficult times.
God.
Feed.
Feed.
Don't forget to feed the cat before you leave.
Feed.
Inevitably.
Inevitably.
With the increasing popularity of technology, change is inevitably constant.
Inevitably.
Trend.
Trend.
The current fashion trend is focused on vintage clothing.
Trend.
Walking.
Walking.
I enjoy going for long walks in the park on weekends.
Walking.
Alphabetical.
Alphabetical.
The words in the dictionary are arranged in alphabetical order.
Alphabetical.
Trousers.
Trousers.
He wore a pair of stylish trousers to the formal event.
Trousers.
Parliament.
Parliament.
The members of Parliament discussed the new legislation.
Parliament.
Coffee.
Coffee.
I can't start my day without a cup of freshly brewed coffee.
Coffee.
Neither.
Neither.
Neither of us had been to that restaurant before.
Neither.
Sing.
Sing.
She loves to sing along to her favorite songs on the radio.
Sing.
Blame.
Blame.
It's not fair to place all the blame on one person.
Blame.
Surprisingly.
Surprisingly.
Surprisingly, the experiment yielded unexpected results.
Surprisingly.
Track.
Track.
The detectives followed the suspect's track through the woods.
Track.
Accidental.
Accidental.
The damage to the car was accidental and not intentional.
Accidental.
Read out.
Read out.
She volunteered to read out the names of the winners.
Read out.
Smoke.
Smoke.
The chimney emitted a steady stream of smoke.
Smoke.
Appear.
Appear.
The sun began to appear from behind the clouds.
Appear.
Wish.
Wish.
I wish I could travel to exotic places around the world.
Wish.
Give up.
Give up.
Don't give up on your dreams, no matter how challenging they may seem.
Give up.
Motorcycle.
Motorcycle.
He prefers to commute to work on his motorcycle.
Motorcycle.
Spicy.
Spicy.
I like my food spicy, so I added extra hot sauce.
Spicy.
Slide.
Slide.
The children enjoyed sliding down the water slide at the water park.
Slide.
Generate.
Generate.
The wind turbines generate clean energy for the community.
Generate.
Series.
Series.
The television series has gained a loyal fan base.
Series.
Examination.
Examination.
The final examination will cover all the topics we've studied.
Examination.
Shut up.
Shut up.
He told his noisy classmates to shut up during the lecture.
Shut up.
Finish off.
Finish off.
Let's finish off the project before the deadline.
Finish off.
Miss out.
Miss out.
Don't miss out on the opportunity to see the rare comet.
Miss out.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
The sunset over the ocean was a breathtakingly beautiful sight.
Beautiful.
Sunday.
Sunday.
We always have a big family dinner on Sunday evenings.
Sunday.
Thought.
Thought.
She doesn't give any thought to her appearance.
Thought.
Resource.
Resource.
The library is a valuable resource for research and learning.
Resource.
Ticket.
Ticket.
I bought a ticket for the concert next week.
Ticket.
Alarm.
Alarm.
The fire alarm went off in the middle of the night.
Alarm.
Cool.
Cool.
The evening breeze felt cool after a hot day.
Cool.
Opinion.
Opinion.
Everyone is entitled to their own opinion.
Opinion.
Somebody.
Somebody.
Somebody left their umbrella in the hallway.
Somebody.
Eat.
Eat.
I usually eat breakfast around 8 a.m.
Eat.
Cow.
Cow.
The farmer has a herd of dairy cows.
Cow.
Excite.
Excite.
The news of her promotion excited her immensely.
Excite.
Motorbike.
Motorbike.
He prefers to ride his motorbike to work.
Motorbike.
Wise.
Wise.
His wise advice helped me make an important decision.
Wise.
Mistaken.
Mistaken.
I must have been mistaken about the meeting time.
Mistaken.
Stick.
Stick.
He used a stick to poke at the fire.
Stick.
Handle.
Handle.
She knows how to handle difficult situations with grace.
Handle.
Beard.
Beard.
He grew a long beard during his year-long travels.
Beard.
Motion.
Motion.
She made a motion to adjourn the meeting.
Motion.
Fault.
Fault.
It's not your fault, accidents happen.
Fault.
Perfectly.
Perfectly.
The cake turned out perfectly, just like the recipe.
Perfectly.
Electric.
Electric.
The car is powered by an electric engine.
Electric.
Explode.
Explode.
The firecracker will explode with a loud bang.
Explode.
Turn over.
Turn over.
Please turn over the page to continue reading.
Turn over.
Worth.
Worth.
The antique vase is worth a lot of money.
Worth.
Fighting.
Fighting.
The two boxers were engaged in a fierce fighting match.
Fighting.
Investigation.
Investigation.
The police launched an investigation into the robbery.
Investigation.
Payback.
Payback.
He promised to pay back the money he borrowed.
Payback.
Because.
Because.
I wore a jacket because it was raining outside.
Because.
Company.
Company.
She founded her own software company.
Company.
Lend.
Lend.
Could you lend me a pen for a moment?
Lend.
Approve.
Approve.
The committee needs to approve the proposed changes.
Approve.
Desire.
Desire.
Her desire to succeed pushed her to work harder.
Desire.
Plastic.
Plastic.
Many items, such as bottles and bags, are made of plastic.
Plastic.
Deserve.
Deserve.
After all his hard work, he truly deserves a promotion.
Deserve.
Thanks for watching.